Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to backup photos to Google Photos. And you have to start by open Google Photos application. After that, click at your profile icon at the right top. And you have two options. So right here we have backup at the second line. You can click turn on backup and then confirm. I will use original quality, but it's up to you. You can also use storage saver if you want to save some space. Okay, the second option is to go to Google Photos settings, then click at the backup here, and then click at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. And we just did it, so if I go back, you can check that my backup complete. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.